let's create a landscape together in Procreate. For this, we're going to choose shades of blue, and let's get right into it. So let's go to Procreate and create a screen size canvas. Click on the Colors tab to choose a dark blue color to fill it, and then we're going to use the brush of Airbrush and then soft brush. And then increase the size to about 45 to 50%, or let's reduce it to 90. Fill at the bottom 1/3 or so, and then choose a lighter color of blue. I'm going to fill that second shade, and then choose a lighter shade further, filling it up above, and then even lighter, filling it up, the lightest blue, quick and covering all the way to the top. So basically for this, we have gone from bottom to top, darkest to the lightest color, darkest blue, lighter, 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 lightest. We are trying to create it over here. Now we are going to go to the wand and then Gaussian blur and increase it to about 46%. Now we create another layer by pressing the plus sign, changing the color to light grayish blue somewhere. And then for the brush, we are going to choose water and wet sponge to create the clouds. Size is about 30% or so. And then we're just gonna stroke right and left to create the clouds. Choose a lighter, whitish shade to create a blend. Just keep going from left to right or right to left to create those random clouds. Then we're going to maybe not possible. Add another layer on the top by pressing the plus sign, and then we go choose black for this. For the brush, we're gonna go to nature, and then there's a collection of my brushes available. I'll put the link down for the tree. Increase the size, and then we are going to just randomly put it at the bottom of the canvas. Increase the size as you like. Just gonna cover the bottom half, not putting the trunk in. Keep creating as many trees as you like, and then another layer, and then we choose brush going all the way to Calligraphy, then monoline. On layer 4, we're going to create a size of 68%. For size 68% on monoline. Now we're going to actually decrease the size to about 15%, and then create 2 strings of these black lines. Just 2, and then we add another layer 5, decrease color change to yellow, size all the way to 100%, tilt the canvas a bit, and then create these rounded circles one by one, just to show that these are some string of lights. Keep going, adding those white circles one by one, just randomly. You don't have to make it perfect because we're just practicing. And then what we'll do next is click on the magic wand and bloom and scroll it to about 4%, slide it to 4% right to create that bloom effect, and you are done. Have a great day and hope you subscribe to my channel. Let me know what would you like me to